It's a pleasure to present this in this conference. It's a case that we recently finished with Sauer Werner Smile Design in Brisbane. It's an amazing case because the initial situation was a patient without any teeth in her mouth. It was a challenging case because we didn't have much of vertical dimension, a prosthetic space to do the prosthesis. We placed implants and then we finished the prosthetics using the PIC system, and we had an amazing experience using that system. Basically, everything is much faster, and we know that clinically it fits amazingly and it fits passively, and it takes out a lot of preoccupation from our part if it will fit or not, because we know that it will fit. So 3 appointments from the PIC impression up to the final delivery of the prosthesis. We managed to do this with a zircon framework on all-on-6 implants over a cobalt chromium bar. Before, it was always a preoccupation with all appointments and with verification jigs, with casts, if they will fit or not, but now all these problems are solved. Werner did an amazing job with his team, and the results are superb. And I'm very happy. It was the first time today that we shared that case with the audience. So that was great. Good technology. Well done, guys.